I'm going to take this mask off. You know, it's crap mask. I'm done. Hey girl, hey. Welcome back. It's Living for the City. I'm Cherise, and you know what time it is. Birchbox time. It is our monthly Get Unready with Me unboxing. And today's mask, the mask flavor of the month is this little number by 5.5. Is that how you say it? This is one of the masks I got from Soko Glam, K-Beauty, Korean beauty mask I got from Soko Glam. It is a 5.5 super fit moist mask, cotton wool sheet, shield mask pack, perfect fitting. It's a hydration mask. So this one is a moist one. So it's for, the effect is a deep moist effect. Hydration mask with deep moist formula that forms a moisture barrier to hydrate and provide a relaxing feel to the skin. So this is by, I don't know if it's Acewell, Ackwell, I don't know, somebody like that. Hydration sheet mask, and it has a moisturizing layer sheet extracted from cotton wool. It gives an extreme hydration to the skin with cream. So this is one of those creamy ones, which I love. The last one we used was a creamy one too. Was that the last one or the time before? I can't remember. Anyway, if you are new here, yes, this is what's going down. If you're new, yes. I was gonna say this isn't what usually happens, but lately, yes, I have been masking it up, yes, okay? So, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping in today. I hope you stay. Hit that little red button below, because you're gonna enjoy yourself. If you are one of my Philly faves and a regular here, hey girl, welcome back. Just for the newbies, once a month we do an unboxing. I always feel like, unless you're in the industry, like, so if you're into makeup or you're in the makeup or the beauty industry, then you don't need to do this, right? Because you already know what's hot. But for those of us who can go to a 9 to 5, yeah, like, you know, I am not as up on all of the trends and the makeup trends and the beauty trends that I should be up on, I guess. So my Birchbox helps me out through that. So this is my May Birchbox, and I'm trying to see if I can see myself in here. I really can't though. I'm doing so much talking, it's like moving all around. So this is the monthly Birchbox that we get every single month and we open together. Last month we got a full face. Now I'll be honest, it was not brown girl friendly, keeping it real, but I made it work. I used some of the things in other ways, which you can totally do with makeup anyway, so I don't think that that's a big deal, but I did make some things work. So here is a short clip of that full face. Tell me what you think. Okay guys, so this is the look with that makeup that I use. I have the I put a little base on, just like some powder. I'm gonna put the eyeshadow on my eyes. I actually put the highlighter on my eyes too as a base. I put a little bit of the blush on and a lippy mascara. So this was really like a full face. I mean, it really was. I'm not sure the colors, like I said, are very brown girl friendly. So note to Birchbox. But overall, I mean, it's a cute little around the house, quarantine, work from home look when I do a video call. So hey, how about that? So that was the full face. I mean, I made it work, right? So I mean, that's what it, when it comes to beauty and skincare, I mean, you make it do what it do. In the famous words of Ray Charles. Ooh, almost lost my black card.
Things that can get my black card revoked.
You guys, I have to tell you, I struggled this month. I don't know about anybody else, but like between coronavirus and then everything that's happening in the world, I just, you know, I don't know. I'm having like a bad day. So I'm hoping that this Birchbox makes me feel better. We'll see about that. You know, Birchbox. Okay. So, oh, it's really heavy too. Here is the design. Each Birchbox comes designed already, which is really cute. And it's very springy and florally. It says women are power on the front. And it gives you a list of all of the things that you got in your Birchbox on the back. Very similar to any other box that you subscription box. You know, you get a list of everything that's in there. So, sorry I keep touching my face. I'm gonna try not to do that. We have this month, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. And I always link below and tell you what each product is, how much it retails for, and then I'm also gonna give you below a code so that you can get your own Birchbox. So let's jump right in. First up, this is a first time sampling with this one. It is by Lawless Beauty. It is a soft matte liquid lipstick. Last month we got a full face. Remember that, y'all? And so, ooh, look at this, y'all. It's a full size. Lawless. Look at that. This liquid lipstick hydrates with natural ingredients to provide a long wearing yet creamy experience with no caking or cracking. Plus, it's clean beauty. And it's founded by Lawless. So I'm digging this. I'm gonna have to try this. Next is by Rael Beauty. It's a collagen sheet mask. Oh, another one. Okay, so this, I've heard of this company before. I'm sure you all have. That C looks familiar, doesn't it? So this is the collagen sheet mask. And it reduces the appearance of fine lines to stop the clock for your skin. You leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then you rub in the remaining serum into the skin. Love. You know I love a sheet mask. Okay, so that's that. Plump and smooth facial sheet mask. Clean. It's also clean. Is this a clean beauty box? Oh gosh, maybe. First time sampling by Somerville. It's an exfoliant, intensive exfoliating treatment. I know it was gonna be this one. So this is a treatment to exfoliate dull and dry skin to reveal smoother, radiant skin in less than 2 minutes. So I like to exfoliate twice a week, which I say you should do. And so not daily, but I only do it twice a week. And I'll try this and see if I like it. And then maybe we'll get the full size. Use it in the morning or at night, once or twice per week. There it is, by Kate Somerville. Thanks, Kate. Next up, ooh, Wander Beauty. You know I like them. It is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Now look at this. Come on now. And I'm actually just running out of my current mascara. So even though I have like 5,000 mascaras from Birchbox, I mean literally. I should go through them all. Anyway, this is in just one coat. This mascara grabs every lash for a full fanned out effect. It's also made with peach leaf extract, what? And castor seed oil to condition and strengthen the lashes. All right now, Mile High Club by Wander Beauty. Okay, let's get it. Next is a beauty serum by, it's CBD. They didn't send me some CBD, y'all. This is a luxury CBD beauty serum. Okay. Now the full price, the retail value of this, I won't be getting this again, I'll tell you that much. But y'all can look in the description box below. But it is a luxurious serum, it says. It is by St. Jane. Look at this, cute little packaging. A luxurious serum that's packed with 500 milligrams of CBD plus 20 potent botanicals, calms, soothes, and boosts your skin's natural radiance. You know, I've been wondering what CBD does for the skin and in beauty. I've been seeing a lot of like CBD infused and CBD products in beauty, but I'm like, well, what does it really do? Like, what does it do for your skin? I don't know. It boosts your skin's natural radiance after cleansing. You gently pat it onto the skin. I might have to try that. By St. Jane, okay. And then I got a bonus in this one, and it's by Arrow. We got Arrow last time. We got a moisturizer from Arrow, which I absolutely love. Comment for me below and let me know if, in fact, you want me to do follow-up videos, because I know I always tell you how much I love things. I'm like, oh, I got that last month, or I got that the month before, it was great. But I never really show you the products. I don't really show you how they work. So if that's something that you want to see, comment below, comment in the comment section and let me know, because I can do that for you too. This is a Nourishing lip oil. Oh, okay. It has a color called Enhancing Pink. This lip oil adds moisture to lips and locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. Oh, sorry. Plus, it gives lips a subtle tint by reacting to the pH level of your skin for a shade unique to you. Oh, I like that. Okay, Arrow, I like that. I'll try it. This mask is the worst because it's like done. Like, it's already done. Now, the mask is only supposed to be on for 10 minutes, so I think we're almost there. Maybe that's why, but it's like drying up already. Okay, so that was everything from this month's Birchbox, which I love. So we got a liquid lipstick. I swear this is like a full. It's got to be a full, right? So, we got a nice little collagen sheet mask. We got an exfoliant. We got mascara. We got some CBD serum. Hey, and we got a lip oil. So I am really excited about this month's Birchbox, faves. They did that. Okay. I ain't mad at you. Listen, you know, sometimes, but they did really good this time, so I am impressed. I'm not impressed with this mask, but this will not be one that we buy again. I actually got two of these in different kinds. I got this one, and then I also got another one that's like a charcoal infused, and it's for brightening. I got a brightening one. So we'll see how that one comes out. I don't know already. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below. Thank you. You can also follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram at living_for_the_city. You can like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. I'm really active on my Instagram and my Facebook's pages. Not that I'm not active here, because I am, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm there on there daily. So if you want a little insight to what's going on around these parts, feel free to join us over there. I would love to have you. Okay, you guys, until next week. Bye.